How to share Spotify playlists with your friends. Now, this is a really interesting and hot topic in today's time and day. So, first things first, head over to your Spotify app. Click on the Spotify app and select the specific playlist that you want to share with your friends. This is the playlist that I'm going to share with my friend Better right now. I'm going to click on these three dots right here and I'm going to click on the option of share. Now what this is going to do is you can either share it in different curated ways, this way or that way. You can either copy the link or directly send it to your WhatsApp or your stories, SMS, Facebook post, Facebook stories, Snapchat, as well as there are options to do more. Now what I'm going to do is simply going to copy that link and paste it out and send it to my friend. I can also share it on WhatsApp or directly on my stories. If I do share it on the stories, what it's going to do, it's going to take this photograph and first post it there and also have an embedded link in it. So now this is how you can share Spotify playlists with your friends with ease.